Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today we'll discuss why can't I see my profile views on TikTok. Open TikTok on your device and then open your profile at the bottom side of the screen. And the first and the main reason why can't you see your profile views on TikTok is because you have disabled your viewer history. So viewer history is located in the top right corner of your screen. This is those shoes icon. And if you have it disabled, you will see this page. So TikTok asks me if I want to turn on viewer history. Of course, I want to turn it on. And this is basically, here will be the list of the people who viewed your profile in the past 30 days. But here's a little note that only those who have turned on this setting will be shown. So if a person has this function disabled, you will not see them on your list if they have visited your profile. So this is the solution to why you can see your profile views on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.